Hey everyone, welcome to the Outdoor Channel. Today we're testing this Muslagi cargo net for a 2025 Silverado 2500. All right, so it comes in this nice little plastic pouch with a zipper. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it here. Got the net, 6 carabiner hooks, and that's it. All right, so here's the netting laid out on the tailgate. I installed all 6 of the carabiners onto these loops. And I imagine you could put it in the back if you really wanted to. On the new 2500s, there's 3 D-rings on each side instead of your typical 1 down below. You just clip right in. And it's installed. All right, so the net itself is pretty versatile. It does have a pocket here where you can actually probably fit groceries and stuff inside, or whatever you don't want sliding all the way to the tailgate. For me, what I'm most excited about, outside of being a farmer, I'm also a huge hockey player and coach. So we're gonna try my bag out. That's perfect. So that's going to stay right there and not go all the way in. And then I can actually tuck my sticks all the way in there. Beautiful. All right, so opening the tailgate. The net keeping my bag from going all the way forward in the bed of the truck is worth its weight in gold for me. I can literally open up my tailgate, pull my gear out, and head to the rink.